Good morning. Here the chicken. Today is New Year Eve 2023, last day of the year, and we are at our hotel in Phuket called Bang Kamala Hotel and Backpacker. Although on the booking you don't see the word backpacker, just say hotel. But suffice it to say that we had a great sleep last night, the best we've had in a while. So it's not bad. So this morning we're gonna just the adults are gonna go have breakfast. The old adults are gonna have breakfast. The new adults are going to sleep in, I guess. So we are going to head out, find food to eat, because there is no food at this hotel. Interesting. Well, let's see, what did we do today? We went to the beach. I didn't want to bring the camera to the beach, so I didn't record that. We had a great time at the beach. It was quite crowded, but it was still fun. Very clean beach, very nice beach, sandy, not rocky, no trash, so that's pretty good. And then we had lunch, went to Big C Market, pick up a few things, and then came back. Some of us went for a massage, a Thai massage. Wow, it's raining now. Hope that's not gonna be a problem. So, and then now we are here. It's about almost 7 o'clock. We want to go out for dinner, but it's raining a little bit, probably just like yesterday. Few drops here and there, and then it'll be over, hopefully. Right next door is a restaurant, and it's pretty nice. Looks like they got tablecloth and everything. And it's called Popeye Thai House, and I think all the restaurants are doing well here, so that's good. Good thing. We got a little Poochie here, just chilling, taking it easy. Quite alive. Well, we walked in the rain and came to this little restaurant joint, and it looks pretty good. So we will eat here tonight. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and me. So it's 7 together. Rain really coming down now. So much for New Year Eve party. Not sure if that's gonna happen. The beach is gonna be all, the sand is gonna be all wet. I don't know how we're gonna bring in the new year this way. And look at this. Umbrella everywhere. Umbrella here. Umbrella here. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. So, wow, that is loud. And the only table that's not taken is a table that is under the rain. So, hopefully, well, tomorrow we're gonna go. We charter a long-tail boat to go snorkeling and swimming. So hopefully it will stop. Forecast says it should stop in about an hour or two. So if not, maybe we won't go on a long-tail boat. Oh well. All right, for dinner, Eve here has the seafood fried rice. Wow, it's so pretty. It looks really good. And Adeline here has the squid. Fish and chips, yes. Okay. All right. Fish and chips. Not the big piece of fish I was led to believe, but it's okay. And pineapple fried rice.
西班牙就是啊，是在越南的，在越南。
And that is
fried noodle,
fried noodle with chicken. Oh, it looks nice too. Wow. They do a good job decorating at least. Taste, we'll find out. So I'm not sure what this deal is. This is the music machine that is made from the car, yeah. Or maybe it is the car and they just park it here to play music. Pretty cool, huh? And then a barbecue here. So rain has stopped, as you can see, and everybody's happy and smiling. So got blinking lights too. So the restaurant is filled. After all, this is New Year Eve. Everybody's out and celebrating and having a good old time. We are done. The rain has stopped and the place is alive. Getting close to New Year, only about 3 hours away. The place is packed, so we're good to go. You might not see it very well, but you can see the little dots. They're releasing some of these sky lanterns, and might be hard to see, but little dots, that's all you might be able to see. It's pretty cool, and they are lighting off fireworks too. So celebration is ongoing now. Well, amid a little bit of smoke, but that's the those are all the lanterns going off. Well, you might not see it very well at all, but it's going up there. $100. So we are going to light some lanterns. Probably not good for the environment, but we are on the beach, so we might as well do it. So all the ladies will each light a lantern to welcome the new year. So Jenny's got the white lantern. All right. So now don't burn it up, okay?
Okay.
Just hold it. Just hold on to it. Oh, okay. Basically a wax ring that you light, and then you let the air float. All right, Jenny is almost ready to go. She's having a little bit of trouble lighting, but it's coming. All right. Wow, I think Jenny's fire is pretty big. She is gone. Like a rocket. And then next goes Fan. Okay, that's Adeline. Okay, she has to wait. She's not hot enough yet. And Fan is waiting for her fire to go. All right.
Is it okay?
Not yet. Wow, hers is way up there already.
Yes.
Way, way up there.
Hey, can I try to?
Yeah, I think go for it.
Yeah, because it's full now. Yes.
All right.
When you do full, yes.
Very good. Oh, that one is not hot enough. Oh, it's going! Yay!
Oh, look, it looks like thunder is coming at the end.
No, that's the. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. A lot of people are lighting up these lanterns. Pretty cool thing to do. I just hope it's not really bad for the environment.
They're gonna rain too.
Yep, there's a lot of it going up. In fact, there goes another one. There goes another one. And another one coming. Quite a fun thing to do. Oh, what's that, lightning? Another one going up. And looks like pretty soon another one is going to go. There we go. Little bit of firework going on. Whoa, this one's mini fireworks. But probably because we are half a mile away. And I can actually see a lot of these lanterns starting to go up. So it's nice. Something to do. I think they're trying to hit the lantern. Happy New Year! Lots of lanterns going up. Whoa! That was a pretty good one. Another lantern. Whoa! Happy New Year. It's actually raining a little bit, but doesn't dampen our spirits. Someone released it too early. Gotta be patient. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's okay. And sometimes it just does not work out. Oh well. Firework in the rain.